Hi everyone, this is Miss Tidwell. I am the 8th grade literacy teacher, and I am so excited to get to know you and to get to know your child. So first of all, if you ever need to contact me, this is my school email, and so if you send me an email, I will be able to get back to you within 24 hours. Um, so just a little bit about me. This is a picture of me and my husband, Mr. Tidwell, or Jason Tidwell. He actually works at Byers as well. And yeah, he's great. We currently live in Georgetown, Colorado. Um, I know what everybody's thinking. Oh my gosh, what a drive. And it's actually not as bad as you think, but we love it here. We love to go fishing, and we are currently enjoying the September snow. I have been a teacher for 7 years. I used to teach high school before I came out here to Byers, and I've been teaching 8th grade here for 4 years. And well, both my husband and I are originally from New Mexico. Um, and I'm sure students have told you this already. I am obsessed with goats. I just think they're great. They're just adorable. All right, so down to the nitty gritty. These are some of the tech platforms that we'll be using specifically in my class. All assignments are in Google Classroom. Uh, Everything that we do is going to be posted in there. And then if you ever need to contact me or if I'm contacting you, it'll be through email or Teams. The reason for that is Teams is specifically like if we need to talk about something and we need to look at something together on the laptop. I can help with internet issues. I can help you figure out how to print stuff if you need something printed, anything like that. This is just a little more information about Google Classroom. All assignments for literacy are posted there. All assignments need to be turned in for credit. So in the top right-hand corner of your child's screen, when they finish an assignment, they have to click turn in to get credit for it. Any incomplete assignments will have comments on how to fix it for credit. And so, for example, here this student didn't attempt these. So I put a comment on there that says it's incomplete and they just need to get it fixed. When they're finished, they of course need to click that turn in button. Absences. So let me move this so you can see everything. Of course, the student needs to email me or Teams me to discuss specifics because ultimately it is their responsibility to get that makeup work, to get stuff made up, or even like if they know they're going to be absent for a week, let us know earlier. That way we can get that stuff, ready for them. Maybe they could take some of it with them. If a student is absent from a class period, basically they have 2 days additional to get it done. And even then, all assignments and instructions are on Google Classroom, of course, but those things can be turned in all the way up until the end of the unit. So this doesn't mean the end of the trimester. It means when we finish that book and we move on to the next one, the unit has ended. We're moving on to the next chunk. And then finally, for absences, just make sure that you're either calling the attendance office or emailing them at Byers Middle School Attendance at scienceandtech.org. All right, grading. Grading can be looked at in Student Portal. Let me move this again, sorry. When checking the gradebook, comment boxes will always tell you why you earned the grade, and at least this is from my class. So if it's just like a straight M, I didn't put a comment, but I clicked the M box, that marks it as missing. That means your child didn't attempt the task at all. Okay, it doesn't even look like they opened it. If they have a 50%, I usually will put a comment that says it's incomplete, they forgot to turn it in, anything like that. Sometimes it's simply because it was poor quality and I know that they're capable of more. And then 75 is late, but the assignment is complete. Just also keep in mind the later an assignment is turned in, the longer it may take to score. So for example, if it's like the next day, that's okay. There's a good chance I'm going to get it in pretty quickly. However, if it's like 3 weeks later, there's a good chance it's going to take me a little bit of time. This is our unit schedule. So we just finished the crossover. We're moving into narrative writing this week. Next trimester, we're going to be going into narrative Life of Frederick Douglass, and we'll be closing out the year with A Raisin in the Sun and Romeo and Juliet. Well, that's all. That's all about me. That's all about my class. And as I said before, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, just please email me. I am more than willing to help you with whatever I can. Thank you guys so much for sharing your children with me. And I can't wait to have a fantastic year.